Engine feeling tired? Here's the fix most drivers miss. Your engine didn't suddenly get old, it's been warning you for months. Slow starts, weak pull, more fuel, less power. Most people ignore these signs until a big bill shows up. That's the mistake, because today I'm giving you the complete list. Small fixes that wake your engine up fast, no rebuilds, no myths. And the final number is the one almost nobody talks about, yet it quietly ruins engines. Number 13. Clean or replace the air filter. Your engine can't work if it can't breathe. A clogged air filter kills power, increases fuel use, and makes turbo lag feel horrible. Open the airbox and look at the filter. If it's dark or dusty, replace it. Instantly smoother acceleration, quieter engine, better mileage. Do this every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, sooner if you drive in dust. Number 12. Clean the mass airflow sensor. This tiny sensor tells your engine how much air it's getting. When it's dirty, the computer guesses wrong. That's when you feel jerks, hesitation, and bad mileage. Unplug it, remove it carefully, spray only math cleaner, don't touch it, let it dry, reinstall. 5 minutes, huge difference. Number 11. Fuel injector cleaning. If your car hesitates or drinks fuel, your injectors may be clogged. Instead of a fine mist, fuel starts dripping. Light buildup can be fixed with a quality cleaner. Heavy buildup needs professional cleaning. Result: sharper throttle, smoother idle, better MPG. Do this around 30,000 miles. Number 10. Carbon cleanup. Carbon builds up inside valves, pistons, and intake paths, especially on short trips and cheap fuel. Symptoms include knocking, rough idle, and weak acceleration. Use a carbon cleaning additive or walnut blasting. Direct injection engines need this badly. After cleaning, engines feel quieter, faster, and younger. Number 9. Clean the throttle body. A dirty throttle body messes up airflow. That causes stalling, uneven idle, and poor response. Remove the intake hose, open the butterfly valve gently, spray throttle cleaner, wipe with a soft cloth, let it dry, reassemble. No special tools, massive improvement. Number 8. Use quality fuel. Premium doesn't mean more power, it means knock protection. Using the wrong fuel causes carbon buildup and engine damage over time. Stick to top-tier gasoline. Add a fuel system cleaner like Techron or Seafoam every few thousand miles. Clean burn equals smooth power. Number 7. Do oil changes on time. Forget the 3,000-mile myth. Follow your owner's manual. Modern cars on synthetic oil can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Older or high-mileage engines need shorter intervals. Dirty oil destroys engines quietly. Clean oil keeps everything smooth and protected. Number 6. Replace worn parts. Spark plugs, coils, timing components, intake hoses. When these wear out, power drops fast. Worn spark plugs alone can steal up to 30% of engine power. Many of these parts are cheap and easy to replace yourself. Fresh parts bring back that new engine feel. Number 5. Clean the PCV valve. The PCV valve removes harmful gases from your engine. When it clogs, pressure builds up, causing oil leaks, poor mileage, and engine wear. Remove it, spray with carb or brake cleaner, let it dry, reinstall. If it doesn't rattle, replace it. Cheap fix, big protection. Number 4. Replace a bad gas cap. A cracked or worn gas cap lets air into the fuel system. That causes rough idle, hesitation, and check engine lights. It also lets fuel vapors escape, wasting money. A $20 gas cap can fix problems that feel serious. Number 3. Clean the gas cap and filler neck. Dirt and grime prevent the gas cap from sealing. Remove the cap, wipe the rubber seal and filler neck with a cloth lightly sprayed with WD-40. Screw the cap back on until it clicks. Stable fuel pressure comes back instantly. Number 2. Use the correct gas cap type. Vented and non-vented gas caps are not the same. Using the wrong one messes with fuel pressure and engine performance. Always check your owner's manual or parts dealer. This small detail makes a big difference. Number 1. Lube the gas cap gasket. That rubber ring on your gas cap dries out over time. When it does, it can't seal properly. Once a year, apply a small amount of silicone grease to the gasket. Twist the cap on and off to spread it. Better seal, fewer problems, smoother running engine. Do these simple fixes and your engine won't just run, it'll feel alive again. And if you want to avoid destroying it by mistake, watch this next video on oil change mistakes that silently kill engines.